Here's how to clear the browsing history within Google Chrome. Now, I have my iPhone as well as my Android here, both open up to Google Chrome. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and keep in mind if you're on a computer, it works the exact same as an Android phone. So of course, just open up your Chrome web browser. The first thing you're going to do on the iPhone is to tap on the three dots at the bottom right, and then tap on History right next to Bookmarks. You might need to swipe over to see it. And now you can see all of my history. All I need to do is tap on Delete Browsing Data. I can choose all time, or last week, or last month, etc. And then for browsing data, I can choose whether I want to close all the tabs, delete the cookie, cache, etc. After you've done that, just tap on Delete Data. However, if you're on an Android phone, it works a little differently. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the browser. Again, this will be the same if you're on a computer as well. Next, tap on History midway down, and you'll be able to see your entire history. Just tap on Delete Browsing Data, and similar to before, you can choose last hour, 15 minutes, last week, or all time if you wanted to, and you can select your browsing history, cookies, cached images, and also to close your tabs if you want to, and then just tap Delete Data at the bottom right, and you will have deleted out the search history, the website visits history, all of that. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.